In this video, we will learn how to calculate the sum of n terms of GP. Now, it depends upon the R, the common ratio. If your R is 1, then which formula you will use for calculating the sum? Sn equal to Na. But if your common ratio is greater than 1, then how do you calculate the sum of n terms of GP? A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. But if your R is less than 1, then sum can be calculated as A into 1 minus R raised to n upon 1 minus R. So it wholly depends upon the common ratio. We have to check what is our common ratio and then apply any of the formulas given over here. Let's try some sums based on this. Now, he wants us to find the sum of the first 8 terms of the GP. Series is given here. So what is my A? A is 1. What is my R here? R is T2 upon T1, that is 3 upon 1, which is 3. Okay. And I have to calculate the sum of first 8 terms. So n is equal to 8. Now let me check what is my R. R is 3. Right? So R is greater than 1. So which formula I will use for calculating the sum? I know when R is greater than 1, then the formula which I use is A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. This is the formula which I am going to use now. Now, I have the data, I have everything. So let me substitute. So Sn is equal to A is 1, R is 3, n is 8, minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Right? So Sn is equal to, now n I will replace by 8 because I am going to find the sum of 8 terms. 3 raised to 8 is 6561 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So my S8 is 6560 divided by 2. So how much is that? 3, 2, 8s are 16 and 0. So I have calculated the sum of 8 terms of this GP. Let's try one more sum. I have A equal to 1. What is my R? R is equal to under root 3 upon 1, which is under root 3. Up to sum of the first 10 terms. So what is my n? N is 10. Now let me look at this R because my formula, which formula I am going to use depends upon the R. Now R is root 3. Root 3 value is 1.732. So R is greater than 1. So which formula I will use? Sn is equal to A into R n minus 1 upon R minus 1. I have all the data. Let me substitute. S10 is equal to A is 1. My R is root 3 whole raised to 10 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Fine. So how much is root 3 raised to 10? Root 3 raised to 10 in terms of 3 will be, I can write root 3 as 1 by 2 whole 10, 2 5s are. So I got 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 5 is 243. So my S10 is 243 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So my S10 is 242 divided by root 3 minus 1. But I can't have the irrational value in the denominator, so I need to rationalize this. So what will I do? I will write 242 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Now 242 into root 3 plus 1 divided by, this becomes a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square Root 3 whole square is 3 minus 1. So finally I got 242 into root 3 plus 1 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are. So my final answer is 121 into root 3 plus 1.